How to edit your website, your plugin profit site, or any site. I'm going to do this in two parts because I don't think I can get everything into one video. So you're going to need a HTML editor. I'm using Composer. You could also use the NVU Composer. Both of them are free. But this one I don't use because it has a couple less features. But anyway, this is your site manager where this is your FTP program where you upload and download your sites. But when I try to do that with Plugin Profit site or some other sites, they don't work right because of the style sheet. They don't download right. So I'm going to show you an easier way how I did it. You can see here what I mean about not coming out right. You're missing the pieces. It just doesn't work right. You need to have that style sheet to make it load up right. So if you need an HTML editor, these are all free. You can go to freeincomesite.com. I have some here. This is the one I'm using, the Composer. I threw in a couple extra here. There's a Front Page Express and there's AOL Press. I've never used it, but I just threw it in there. And they're all free. Now if you just go to your control panel, and this is how I did mine. It was easy. Your FTP program, I'm using FileZilla. It's a free program. You can get it at CNET. And your site area will be right here. And just take all your main site files. Just take them all and just download them to your computer. That way you'll have your style sheet and it'll load up right and you can edit it on your computer. I made a test folder so that way I can work on it. And I'll show you what I did on that. So here's the folder I downloaded everything. This is all the main Plugin Profit site files or web pages. Now some cannot be edited, but there's some that you can. You got your style sheet here that would on your computer it loads up. Everything will load up right. So I'm going to go to the index file to edit that. I guess I'll have to go I changed mine, so mine will be on the main. So we'll click on here and go to that. Okay, here's the site. I'm sure you recognize it. They're kind of hard to edit, so because there's so many pieces. I'll show you here. Normal edit. Here's a tag. So when you go to that, it throws it all out of whack. But you can see all the pieces. Some of these are images, so you cannot just change the color. You have to re-edit it with Photoshop or GIMP. GIMP is a free program. Some of it you could change the colors, but it doesn't do any good because the images are going to stay the same color. Now here's the GIMP program. You can just Google search GIMP and you can download it for free, but I have a site also that has videos how to do all that to master GIMP. But anyway, you can just go to Google, search GIMP, and download their free program for editing images. Now I'll show you what I did to mine real quick. I just recently changed it. It was lost in cyberspace because of auto blogging, but after redoing everything, I took everything off, Now I just have products on here I give away. And you have to change it at Google. Notice when you change your site, your content is changed and they'll index or get it indexed faster. It took them 3 days to index this after being lost in cyberspace. So now I have some good information products here, some software, article software, things you need to know about AdSense. Anyway, it's a software maker. It's a cool program here. So I changed everything. So now it's different than all the other plugin profit sites. I need to change the color, but I haven't got that far. Anyway, so let's go back to editing a couple of some things on the other site. And when you start changing things, if you don't like it, just go back up to edit, undo. If you delete something, you can just start deleting stuff. If you don't like it, some of this stuff is just on my site, just a couple years old, 3 years old now. It just doesn't do me any good. Internet changes, so you got to change with the internet. So you can just go undo it. Once you find that you like it the way it is, just save it. And I saved mine into new folder to just keep going back to working on it. So let me show you here how we can edit something here. If you want to edit one of these side box or add a side box, these are all tables, so they're not so easy. Let me find an easy one to do here. Let's go to this one here. Okay, we'll put some Z's or marks in here. It makes it easier for finding some code on the back. So we'll just go and add a new box here. So go to the source code. Let's see where I think it starts here. And we'll grab this box and I think it'll end here. Let's see if I can mess this up. Copy, go back and put another box on this side here. Just click this here. Some marks here. Go back and here it is right here. Put that on there. See what it did. Okay, there we have it. We got a new box in there. Okay. Now you can delete the picture. You're ready to add something else in there. So I'm going to show you how to edit one of the images, and I'll do that on video too.